Yesterday I managed to put that swing on. Light was failing, so I couldn't carry on filming. Basically got this out, got the chain out, suspension unit. I'm going to get to work for cleaning this up. Keep watching. Right, so here we are, we've got a pretty clean looking shock now, and the bracket for, or torsion arm for the brake, and the linkages. I've also cleaned up the bolts, the threads, and I've also cleaned inside the swing arm, but I haven't done the swing arm yet, and there's a few reasons why I'll explain later. So yet another stuck fastener, so we'll get that out before we can remove all these electrics from here, and then take out the battery box and give that a paint. Also, because of the location of these electrics, I'm seriously thinking if I get rid of this, then I can make a new tray for all the electronics underneath. Okay, so that's the battery box off. In the end, the stuck fasteners, bolts and that, I tried WD-40, weren't going to move, so I ended up drilling them out. So I'm replacing those if I reuse the battery box. I'm not 100% sure which way I'm going to go yet, but I'm thinking I might just keep the battery box just for simplicity and get it on the road a bit earlier, because I want to use it this side of Christmas. And then, because obviously I can't do much in the way of painting, because you've seen the size of my shed, I don't have a very big shed. I can't regulate the temperature, and therefore I can't guarantee that the paint that I put down on it is going to be much good, because obviously it has to stay above 20 degrees, so I'm going to get it on the road as soon as possible, and then after Christmas, when the weather starts to warm up, that's when I will start stripping it apart again and changing things. But I'm going to get the general gist of it on the road ASAP. Anyway, onto the battery box. Let's clean this so I can give this a lick of paint. Okay, so I started cleaning this off, and I've wiped it down with some petrol, degreasing it. Now I'm going to give it a quick flick over with some primer and hit it with black. Okay, it's roughly primed now, so I'm going to hit it with some black and we'll see what it looks like afterwards. So after a coat or two of black, that's what we're looking at the moment. And while that dries, that's the light misting of the coat done. Shouldn't be any reaction because they're both Rust-Oleum, but wait for that to dry and then I'll put some more light coats followed by a heavier coat. What I've done is I've peeled off all the parts that were ready for paint and I've given them a cursory coat of black. It's not obviously going to be the colour that I go for overall, but these working parts will all be painted in black anyway. So let's show you what they look like now.